we're in Clovis, California. We just finished relocating a gas line here. It's a 1-inch pipe coming down. So the original riser was coming up through a future window next to the gas meter. And so we took it apart and left everything in the attic alone. Just took this last piece. The gas line's actually over here in the snow somewhere. Right over there, you can see it. The 1-inch gas line. There it is. So it comes over the wall and it went straight down. So what we did, we took it, we turned and came over here because the window's going to get placed in there. Popped out right there and then came underneath. And so this was the original riser sitting right there. Comes down the wall. And that was over here. So that guy went straight up, and this is where the window's going. So anyway, just a 5-foot nipple coming over, a drop, and then we just notched the front of these studs where it's furring for sheetrock. I brought it over, stubbed it back out, tied it back in, and then of course right here, a little 1/2-inch piece over and down for its future stub for a slide-in stove. So that's all good in here. Out here we need to relocate the vent. So window's going to go in right here is the gas meter, and the main thing is if you get vent gas out of this vent line on the regulator, it goes into the window. So it needs to be 3 foot away. We're not exactly sure how far this window is going to come over, but we just popped it through right here. You can see nice tight little hole, painted it, so that's good. And so anyways, gas is back on, water heater's lit, furnace has a self-igniter, stove has a self-igniter, so you're in good shape. So everything here looks good. Outside of that, this installation is done.